Welcome back to Google Apps Tutorials, and today what we're going to look at is changing the title of your overall web page and working with your individual course sites. To change the overall title of your web page, for example, iPhoneography Point 2, what you need to do is go to More and then scroll about 3/4 of the way down and click Manage Site. On the left-hand toolbar here is where you see the different options you can use individually, but right now we're just worrying about the general. And I want to change my name from iPhoneography Point 2 to Brian Zink and simply click Save. And to go back to my website, it doesn't say it here yet, but it'll change in a second. I'm going to click back on that link. And now you can see my main page says Brian Zink instead of iPhoneography Point 2. Now to edit your courses, the courses are listed at the top. Each one of these would read as your individual course. Maybe College Prep Psychology, AP Econ, whatever it may be. It is up to you to decide the order and the title you will choose. So I'm going to click Course Title 1. And the first thing I need to do is make sure that I've shared this page to anyone who has the link. You should be checking that as you modify any of your pages. The second step is to click the pencil and begin editing. This would become iPhoneography One. 101, I'll say. Notice the tab does not change. It will not happen until I click Save and leave this page and come back. So don't worry about that. As long as the title is here, you are okay. Since I have the course title here, I'm going to change this title to About This Course. And then to remind you to change this image, you click on it, you would click the X to remove it, and then go to the front of the A, front of the word About, Insert, Image, choose a file, click OK, but remember I want to change the options here. So if I click on the image, I can change the alignment, but more than anything I want to change the size and turn Wrap On. To work with your course calendar, the first thing you want to do before continuing is go to the calendar video found in this link here. If you follow that link, it will show you exactly how to create calendars in your Gmail account. Once you've watched the video, you want to follow the link that's in red that says Course Calendar. And then once you get to the new page, select the pencil tool to edit, and then follow the directions that are listed on that same page. So I'm going to go to Course Calendar. There's lots of text here, but it's really important that you read every single step to move forward. So inserting calendar, you need to make sure you watch the video that was on the previous page. Turn on editing tool, which is the pencil. So let's do that. Make sure the cursor / flashing line is located directly after the other calendars text in the sentence at the bottom of this page before proceeding. So that means I need to make sure my cursor is right here at the end. Open the Insert menu at the top left of the window. So go to Insert. I'm going to open, and then the second column is the word Calendar. and I see all the calendars I've ever created. I'm going to choose iPhoneography, click the word select, and then some tips is to not show the calendar name, not include the title, and not include the border. You don't have to do that. I just don't like repetitive text on my page. So save. So to insert my image, I need to make sure my calendar, I need to make sure the cursor is at the end of the word other calendars here at the bottom of the page. Go to insert and find the word calendar, which is in the second column. Choose my calendar, iPhoneography, because that's the one I want to use for this class. Click select. It's thinking here, we can see. And then my suggestion is to not display the calendar name, not show the border, and not include the title. That's just personal preference because I've written these words elsewhere on the same page. And click save. And you will see this gray box. That means you did it successfully. You can change the alignment if you wanted. You could put wrap on, but I just want this to fill the whole page, so I'm going to leave it just as is and click save. And now you can see that my calendar has loaded below. But I want to delete all this unnecessary text of the directions I had, so click the pencil to edit. Highlight the text, click delete. And last, I want to change the title of this page to iPhoneography calendar. And that's it. Thank you.